Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Merry Christmas to everyone. I can't believe this year is almost come to an end, which means New Year Eve is just around the corner. Celebration of ending this year is not going to be the same for many of us, but still I wanted to share this New Year Eve look which I created. It's glam and wearable at the same time. Keep watching to know how I created this look.
So I'm going to start off by using this Crystal Micro Essence from L'Oreal Paris. I came across this product online on Amazon and I have never used this product before, but I really wanted to try it because it says that it smoothens your skin and give a glow to your skin, and actually this product does that so well. I am so obsessed with this product these days. I use this product before going to sleep, after washing my face, and after waking up in the morning when I cleanse my face. After that I like to use this product, and before you do your makeup you can definitely use this product after that also. So the first thing what you need to do is you just need to pour a little amount, like 4 to 5 drops on your hand. Don't need to rub your hand with the product, you just need to dab it like this and just apply it on your face directly. And you need to pat your face till the time the product does not absorb. That I'm going to prime my face with this professional primer. It's a very light based primer and you won't feel that you have applied anything on your face. You just need a little amount, like a dot amount of this product. And I like to apply it on my nose and my chin only because these are the only areas which get too oily. Priming is done and I'm going to use the sunscreen which is from Neutrogena. It's in 50 SPF and you have to apply a sunscreen before doing your makeup, guys. Like, there are two steps which you definitely have to do before doing your makeup. The first one is priming your face, the most important part, and after that applying a good sunscreen on your face just to protect your skin. And do not forget your neck if you're wearing something like this. I don't really like to change my sunscreens, so this sunscreen has been with me since like 2-3 years and I love using this sunscreen. Moving on to the foundation, I'm going to use the LA Colors Radiant Foundation. It's in the shade Golden Honey. Well, I've never used this product before, I've just ordered this product. So this foundation does not give you full coverage, but yeah, it's easily blendable and you can use this foundation for daily use. And guys, there is no such foundation which actually matches your shade perfectly, but if you find one, stick to it. And I'm using my blender just to set my foundation. For concealing, I'm going to use my Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I tried this product yesterday, so it works perfectly on your skin. And you just need to like rotate it a little bit from the top and apply it.
I will be sharing links for all the products I have used in the description below, so you can check that out on the description box.
I'm speechless right now, and you can see how it all blended in my face. For the eyebrow, I'm going to use my same Walk Free Definer from Blue Heavens. It's in the shade Grey, and I'm not going to do it on the camera because always I use this same product, and it does not make sense.
So this concealer is in this shade medium 130, and after concealing you should always apply some loose powder on the area where you have applied the concealer just to avoid creasing. And I forgot to film this part, so yeah, I'm just showing you the product which I applied.
So concealing is also done, and now we are moving on to eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette. It's from Huda Beauty, and this is the Desert Dusk palette. So first I'm going to use this Eden eyeshadow because we're not going to do a lot with my eyes today. Now I'm going to apply this musk shade on my crease just to give it a definition. Just a little bit on the outer corner of my lids. Now for the eyeliner, I'm going to use these two eyeliners from Color Diva.
First, I'm applying the black eyeliner starting from the mid of the eyelids, and on top of that, I'm going to apply a thin layer of silver eyeliner. This silver eyeliner on top made my eyes look more glamorous.
So my eyes are done, and now I'm going to move on to my lashes.
I'm not applying any eyelashes for this look because I think it just changes your whole look sometimes. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes before I put some mascara on.
And for the mascara, I'm going to use this Hype Curl mascara. For my lower waterline, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild kajal. For bronzing, I'm going to use my Colorescence bronzer. For the blush, we are going to use the same Swiss Beauty palette. Actually, I've ordered one blush from Purple, but it hasn't arrived yet. So we have to use the same palette. And today I'm just going with the lightest shade. I just love blushes. I think it's the most fun part. I just love applying blushes to my face. It just gives your face that lift, that glow. Moving on to the highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighter. Just putting a little bit on my brow bone. And
For the lips, I'm going to wear this red lipstick from Neon. I don't like to wear matte lipsticks in winters cause it just makes my lips chapped and dry, and I love this shade so much.
so my makeup is done, and at the end we are going to put some setting spray to set our makeup. It's from Wet n Wild, and
So it was the end of this look, and I think this eye makeup look can be easily done by everyone, and it still looks glamorous and perfect for New Year's party eve. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this look, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Till the time, take care of yourself and your surroundings. Bye.